I'm just giving you a window update. It's 3:49, and here is that window. And the ice from the roof is now meeting the snow. And as you can see, it's right up against the window pane. Gotta tell you, the best investment I ever did when I remodeled this house was get new Anderson windows. I know the lighting is not the greatest, but yeah, window update. Well, this lighting is a little better. This is the second window in the dining room. Icicles are a little longer. Still snowing. But it's only touching the window glass down here. But it is over my head. I'm looking at it. Yeah, definitely over my head. So, update for 3:30 p.m. for window number 2. Well, here's that other window in the dining room that looks out into the deck. And it's a little higher than it was earlier. But we're going to actually go out on the deck in a minute. Okay, so here we are. We're on the deck. I sort of fibbed. I do not have my really high boots on. I have no boots on right now. But this is my deck. This is amazing. That was all shoveled and everything yesterday. There's a new over a foot. Trees still look beautiful though.